Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Payette, local, and long-distance movers near me. Our moving services in Payette include the following benefits: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you want to discover one of the most reliable long-distance movers, hire us. We offer the most advanced, dependable, and safe, affordable moving services to ensure you get to your new location faster. Our team will help you move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away. We need to complete a local move. You need an Idaho moving company. The right movers will make a big difference in the process. You'll save time and energy when you choose a top moving company for your needs. 3 Movers offers the best choices for your local move. We provide you with the team you need for a streamlined process of moving. Our team will give you the help you need to make sure your move happens fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Payette moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.